What's up, everybody? It's your boy AD, and I'm back. It's been a while since I've been on. Sorry, I don't got my camera on. I will be live streaming a little bit later tonight, so I have my camera on and popping by the end and whatnot. But it's been a while since I made a video, so I wanted to come in and just speak about a couple things. You know me, I'm always talking about real stuff, and just trying to let people know certain stuff. Because certain things is very, very important. I don't know what that loud noise was I just heard. But the first thing I wanted to talk about is watch who you defend. Like, and this is in the real world, this is online world, it don't matter. Watch who you defend. You know what I'm saying? Because to be honest, man, majority of these people on here or in real life will not defend you back, right? It's very hard to find people who are real willing, to go as hard as you when it comes to defense. That's why I say you really got to watch who you defend, because a lot of these people will egg people on to defend them, but the whole time might actually be wrong or might actually be negative, or actually be guilty of things that they do. I think one of the most important things, though, to think about when it comes to this, though, like if you should defend someone, I mean, especially if you ain't really met them in real life or nothing, because defending someone is really putting yourself out there on the line. When you get to defending someone, now you're putting yourself out there and putting yourself in a situation, and doing this and doing that. And you don't want to do that, especially for no one who won't do it back. And that's the most important part. The most important part right there is, will this person defend me back? Will this person have my back? Will this person be there to stand up for me when I know I'm talking about something or doing something right? Right? Like, that's the most important part. You got to really watch your defense on here. You got to really watch it. And honestly, I don't really think people should really be defending really much of anyone, because like I said, majority of people on here really can't be trusted. Majority of people on here are really only here for their own personal gain, and only here just to just tell people whatever they want to hear, or tell people stuff, and not really just being real. A lot of people treat the world and online like it's just a big game or just a show out game, you know but then act completely different in real life. So basically what I'm saying is that just watch what you do, because it's not, a lot of this stuff just isn't worth it. A lot of this stuff is just not worth it. So again, if you gonna defend somebody, just make sure it's somebody that you know will do it back, and just make sure it's someone that's actually worth defending. Like a real loved one. Something like that, like a real loved one, or somebody that can really, again, just have your back, because you don't want to put no time and effort. Because I've been there. I've been there in my life before, where we'll put so much time and the effort into someone, but then when it's time to get it back, they ain't even thinking about you. They're not even thinking about you. And then what makes it even more sadder is it could get so bad to the point where those people who you are defending will be thinking more about the people that actually hurt them, and be actually sometimes wanting to be more cool with the people who hurt them than actually the ones who's there to defend them and who actually look out for them. That is, again, is you're putting yourself out there, and you just gotta be careful and just make sure you do it for the right ones. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about was this whole panel hopping thing. Like when you do panels, see, it's a reason why I don't do panels like that no more. A lot of people might think, oh, well, people weren't just there. No, it wasn't none of that. I could be on here doing that open stream, opening panels up all day, and I bet you people show up. I know it. But the reason why I kind of stopped on that is because you just, same reasons as before. You gotta watch people. I see it all the time. People just be scoping people's panels out, looking where they can go get clout, or looking where they can go get attention. Whole time they'll be hating on the host, or hating on most of the people in the room, but then come in there and try to act cool, but then be study saying shady stuff on the side, or hating on the attention that you get. That's one thing about being on here. It's like whenever you do start getting a little attention, it's gonna make a lot of people just jealous and just hateful of you, and you could be doing the right thing. And that seems like that make them even more madder. But be on here doing something goofy, they try to act like they don't care because they know they could probably be a part of it, you know. I see it all the time. I see it all the time. People, then you go to their channels and then they're not doing nothing. A lot of them not even really active, but they're on every other panel. They're on all these panels or in all these different spaces, or they're jumping around. And like I said, sometimes the ones who you think are cool, the ones who first come in, a lot of times be a lot of the worst ones who's just sitting there plotting on you, just want to be around you, just to try to absorb things off of you, you know. It should, because it really shouldn't be like that. Because it's like, it's just, again, it's just too many people into their own personal gain, into drama, into being fake, into lying, into being hypocrites, into being like forgetful ass people too. A lot of people are just so forgetful. Like they'll just completely forget some stuff that could happen literally like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. So I just don't understand. I just don't understand, and it's just sad because I noticed that a lot of people don't be noticing it. Like it'll be people right there on the panel with them, and it'll be obvious as day these people may not really be liking each other, or these people don't like each other, but they'll just sit on there anyways. And they'll just somewhat try to act cool anyways. When people don't like each other. This is the type of stuff. This is why I don't really do that. I mean, I do got plans to do more, more together things and topics and stuff, but all of that other stuff, nah, that just leads into too much. And then you got so many people out here that try to sit there and act like they don't want to be a part of drama and act like they don't want to be into this and that, but they're always letting it go and letting it happen. I see that a lot too. Like people will be like, oh, we're about this or we're doing this and that, but then once drama happens or once something like that happens, now they act like they're more interested in anything else. And drama will be going on, and I won't hear people telling them stop. I won't hear people. It'll just be going on and on and on and on. Just be real. Just be real, because people know. People know, like, yeah, if I come on here, but that's why people got to stop being afraid of that, because I know. But that's why people got to better themselves, because I know people do be afraid to come on here and be real, because they worried if people found out who they really are or what they really do, they know people probably wouldn't watch or listen. So they use drama and other little tactics to try to keep people there. But a lot of people, as you can see, they love to play that victim, or they always got to have an excuse to be in it instead of just telling people that's what it's about. But me, I'm not really into that stuff no more. I'm into way more positive things and just trying to do what's right. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with defending yourself, but when you constantly keep defending yourself to the same people who ain't never gonna change, or to people who ain't really listening to you, then defending yourself just becomes just pointless, and you're better off just walking away. But I'm not saying like you can't defend yourself, but some people get too caught up in so-called defenses, right? Like I said, people use excuses. It'll be a so-called defense, but it's really just more drama, you know. But watch those people, man, that be on them panels and they just be sitting there trying to absorb everything that you do, and just be around when y'all really not that close or that tight, but then it just be there, especially when drama is going on or when a decent amount of viewers are in the room, you know. Because again, I've been there, done that. As soon as you start getting a decent amount of playing viewers, here come everybody and their mom, and like only 30% of them probably will be actually maybe caring about what you're saying and doing. And the sad part is you could actually be saying something good and right, and they'll just do it anyways. They don't care because, a lot of these people are not really good themselves. So, but, I know of some people out here that feel what I'm saying. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Just wanted to talk about some things. I know I haven't been on here since Monday. I've been gone, been busy, but I'm gonna talk to you guys later though. Please let me know. Let me know what's going on. And I'll be back probably later tonight to do this one, do that one little stream. All right, peace out.